Replacing the base model, the Galaxy S26 Pro now measures just 6.7mm thick, making it 0.5mm slimmer than the Galaxy S25. This sleek redesign doesn't come at the cost of performance. In fact, Samsung has managed to increase the battery capacity to 4,200 mAh, up from 3,900 mAh, thanks to rumored advancements in silicon-carbon battery technology. These new batteries promise better energy density, faster charging, and improved longevity, all within a thinner chassis. Galaxy S26 Edge, pushing the limits of thinness. The Galaxy S26 Edge takes minimalism to the extreme, coming in at an astonishing 5.5mm thickness, even thinner than the S25 Edge's 5.8mm. Despite its ultra-slim profile, it too benefits from the upgraded 4,200 mAh battery. Samsung's engineering team appears to be prioritizing both form and function, delivering a device that's not only beautiful to hold, but also powerful enough to handle demanding tasks. Galaxy S26 Ultra, slim, stylus-ready, and still. A flagship beast, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is perhaps the most impressive of the trio. Measuring just 7.8 meters, it's slimmer than both the S25 Ultra, 8.2 meters, and the S24 Ultra, 8.6 meter. What's truly remarkable is that Samsung has managed to retain the built-in S Pen, a signature feature of the Ultra line. While this version of the stylus may lack Bluetooth functionality, it still offers the precision and convenience that Galaxy Note fans have come to love. However, sources suggest that Samsung may be approaching the physical limits of how thin the Ultra can go, while keeping the S Pen embedded. Future models might need to switch to an external stylus, similar to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, or potentially drop the feature altogether. For now, though, the S26 Ultra remains a triumph of design and utility. Galaxy S26 Ultra Mystery Box. Sign up now. Samsung is also teasing fans with the launch of the Galaxy S26 Ultra Mystery Box, now open for registration. This promotional bundle promises more guaranteed items and bigger surprise prizes than ever before. At a minimum, each box includes free phone case, premium screen protector cleaning kit, adjustable phone stand. More exclusive items will be revealed soon, so stay tuned. Prototype specs and what to expect. It's important to note that these dimensions are based on internal prototype models, so final specs may vary slightly. However, the overall design philosophy is clear. Samsung is committed to pushing the boundaries of smartphone aesthetics without sacrificing battery life or durability. With the early 2026 launch window approaching, we expect more leaks and official announcements in the coming months. The Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be a bold step forward in mobile innovation, combining ultra-thin design with next-gen battery tech and premium features.